Imagine for a second that the perfect camera actually exists. Not perfect for its time, but a device so capable that it fundamentally changes how you capture the world. In 2023, the Nikon Z8 was that camera. It was the baby Z9, the hybrid king that shook the industry and forced Sony and Canon to rethink their entire strategy. But that was years ago. The world of digital imaging has moved at a terrifying speed since then. We've seen the rise of AI-driven focus, the total integration of cinema-grade color science, and sensors that can practically see in total darkness. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Now, in 2026, the whispers have finally turned into a roar. The Nikon Z8 Mark II is no longer a maybe. It is a when. And according to the latest data leaks, patent filings, and supply chain reports, it is about to do something even the original Z8 couldn't. It's about to bridge the gap between traditional photography and high-end Hollywood cinematography. But there is a massive catch, a decision Nikon has made with this new body that is currently dividing the professional community in two. Is this the ultimate upgrade, or is Nikon pushing us into a future we aren't ready for? Today, we are stripping away the hype and looking at the cold, hard reality of the Nikon Z8 II. We're talking about the secret 61-megapixel stacked sensor, the debut of the EXPEED processor, and the most shocking development of all, the first-ever integration of red digital cinema technology into a Nikon body. If you are a professional shooter or a dedicated enthusiast, what we are about to reveal will change your 2026 buying plans instantly. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The original Z8 utilized the legendary 45.7-megapixel sensor from the Z9. It was fast, reliable, and produced beautiful files. But the Z8 II is moving into a different stratosphere. Leaked specs from the Tokyo manufacturing lines suggest a new 61-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. This isn't just a bump in resolution for the sake of numbers. In the US market, commercial and landscape photographers have been begging for more croppability without sacrificing the speed of a stacked sensor. Nikon has finally answered. This new sensor is reportedly capable of a readout speed that makes the physical shutter look like a relic from the 19th century. But high resolution usually comes with a trade-off: noise. This is where the EXPEED processor comes in. This is the debut of Nikon's neural engine architecture. We aren't just talking about faster menus. We are talking about real-time, AI-driven noise reduction at the sensor level. Early reports suggest that a 61-megapixel file shot at ISO 12800 on the Z8 II looks cleaner than a 45-megapixel file shot at ISO 3200 on the original model. If this is true, the Z8 II isn't just a high-resolution camera. It's the best low-light tool ever built for the professional market. However, there's a feature hidden in the autofocus system that has everyone talking. Nikon is calling it zero-miss predictive tracking. Using the massive power of the EXPEED, the Z8 II doesn't just track a subject's eye. It predicts where that eye will be based on the subject's skeletal movement. Whether you're shooting a 100-meter dash in Los Angeles or a rare bird in the Everglades, the camera knows the physics of the movement. The days of hunting